Welcome students. See here which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39 will be 132 more than its 54th term. Now see here AP is given. Write that AP here. AP is 3, 15, 27, 39 and so on. Now if the AP is given, we can write the first term, that is 3 here, and the common difference, that is A2 minus A1. 15 minus 3 is 12. Common difference is equal to 15 minus 3, that is equal to 12. Now the question is which term of this AP? We don't know which term it is, so let us take it as AN. Which term of the AP will be 132 more than its 54th term? Now write the equation. Which term of the AP we don't know, so write it as AN is equal to 132 more than means plus 54th term, that is A54. The formula for AN is A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 132 plus A54 is A plus 53D. Now we have the value of A, that is 3, and value of D, that is 12. Now substitute here, that is 3 plus n minus 1 into D, that is 12, is equal to 132 plus A, that is 3 plus 53 into 12, that is 3 plus n minus 1 into 12 is equal to 132 plus 3, multiply this 53 into 12, that is 636. Now 3 plus n minus 1 into 12 is equal to 132 plus 3 plus 636. Is 771. Now take 3 to the right hand side, that becomes n minus 1 into 12 is equal to 771 minus 3, that is n minus 1 into 12 is equal to 768. So n minus 1 is equal to 768 by 12. 12 ones are 12 6 are 72. 4 remains, this becomes 48. 12 4s are 48. So n minus 1 is equal to 64. N is equal to 64 plus 1, that is 65. Therefore 65th term of the given AP, that is 3, 15, 27 and so on, will be 132 more than 54th term.